biggest change, of course, is the keyless, like this. Hello guys, Ivan here and welcome to a new video. So today we are here with the new 2025 Mercedes-AMG, and this is the G63 performance package, the best G-Class ever made. And today we are at AutoNelin. Special thanks for having us here today, and if you enjoyed this episode, smash the like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Turn on all notifications so notified for all upcoming episodes. Thank you very much for your support. Alright, so let's check the changes under the hood. We'll just turn off. Okay, let's open here the front hood. It's pretty hot here. Okay, so here we have the very popular V8 setup. The well-known 4.0 liter V8 bi-turbo is now mild hybrid, so 48 volt system, and the engine output is 585 horsepower and 20 horsepower from the mild hybrid for a quick boost. Also, this one has AMG SpeedShift TCT 9G torque converter, 9 gears, 850 Newton meters is the torque, top speed 220 km per hour, and the acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour is now 4.4 seconds. So this in stock form is a really brutal car, and of course we will see this from the Brabus and some other manufacturers having up to 900 horsepower, who knows, maybe even more. So this engine is really bulletproof for sure. So here we have the new G63 performance package, and this is sort of classic spec for many people, but with a twist, and that is interior color. So we will go and check out this in detail. So let's go over the exterior. So this new G63 performance package, the easiest way how we differentiate it is by the brake calipers, because they are red. So as you can see, red brake calipers. These are also the new wheels, new wheel design. These are even more expensive than the cross-spoke wheels, which you can actually get on this G63. This is also the new facelift, so these sort of traditional. They are even more expensive than this new style. Let me know which one do you like more. I quite like this design, and I also very like the design which we had with cross-spoke, and we still have that one as well. This one has like a chrome in the middle, you can see that as well. And the tire size is 295, 40, 22 inch. So these are quite large. For the G63 we have MO1, so this is AMG compound, Eagle F1, more sporty than the Scorpion Pirelli previously, 295, 40, 22. So the biggest difference from the front is definitely the front apron and front bumper. So you can see that here we have a different design in this cutout. Much more opening here. From the side it looks like it's closed, if you take a look. But actually it's open from the front, so we have the best cooling possible. Now the fans are turned on because it's quite hot outside, to cool down the V8. Personally, I quite like this change. I think it looks a little bit more sharper, a little bit more sharp. From the front, it doesn't look as big as of a difference. It's like open cuts, but mainly if you look from a little bit of the side, like three-quarter view, you can definitely see much better right now. Check it out. Yes, so you can see it much better. I hope we can film still with the camera in this heat. So for this car we have night package 1 and night package 2. That means we have a dark chrome on many bits. For example, on the star in the front, also the grille, AMG grille, and also this new AFFALTERBACH badge here. You can see this is in dark chrome as well. And everything is very nicely blacked out. I really love this spec personally. It's a spec which I think many people will go for, because the black is the most popular color for the G63 and G-Class overall. That's what they told us in Graz at G-Class Center. So this is also the classic gray, the obsidian black, and I really love it because it's true black. It doesn't really have a lot of like shades of blue or I don't know, in different shades. It's a classic black, we can say. You can go wild with different colors, also with the Magno paints, but this will remain the classic G-Class for sure. Also, you can see here the V8 bi-turbo nicely blacked out. Also, what I can see difference here is, check out the camera, it's now different. I believe wider and deeper for better, of course, analytics, live data. And I really love, I think this is what the G-Class needed, this modernization. So before I saw the car for the first time, I was like, okay, small changes, whatever. But wow, in person it is what this car needed. And it's the same G-Class but much better, so I really love it. Also new are the exhaust pipe, which are now in dark chrome with AMG logos as well. Check it out. So this will be quick because of the heat, quick outside video. Also check out here, biggest change are these now I lock the car. Check it out here with this button, you can lock it. So with the keyless, now we can unlock, but still you need to press here as a true G-Class. Okay, immediately, and traditional G-Class slam with the doors. From the back everything is blacked out, and check out the lights are on even in daily mode with LEDs, front LEDs. AMG blacked out. Also the wheel cover is in, I believe this is obsidian black, like painted in black. Star is in black as well, and G63 of course in the black as well. So let's check out from the back the car. Looks really stunning. I really love the car. It's my, I would say, favorite AMG. If I have to pick one AMG, is the G63 for sure. This is my favorite car. So here in the back we can see sneak peek of the interior, which is this beautiful red. You can see the name of the red on the screen. So check out here the sneak peek of the interior. This is red pepper, I believe. Name of the red, carbon fiber trim, and G-Class boot. Here is actually, I believe this is the cargo net, which you can connect here. So that's that. Not a lot changes do I see here in the interior. Net on the right side, hooks for cargo, subwoofer, and you can fold the seats 40-60 the split. We have opening here as well. That's basically it. Okay. G-Class doors. There is no keyless here, so you need to go to the doors to lock the car. So once again, biggest change I would say is from the front. From the back, small changes. I really love this as well. AMG fuel cap cover. I have this one as well on my A35 AMG. And you should use 98 or more, but 95 is also possible. Tire pressures you can see here. And yeah, such a gorgeous looking vehicle. The G-Class is really iconic car, and the G-Class is really iconic car, and I truly love this, the G63 for sure. So let me know how you like the exterior. I think it's now enhanced and much better looking. So let's go ahead and let's check out the interior. Also, if you look here on the side steps, they are now fully black, so that is nice as well. So biggest change of course is the keyless. You can close if you just press here, and you can open if you insert the palm. So let's do close, and you can also turn off the engine like this. I have a key in my pocket now. So now the vehicle is closed. You can press, put your palm just here, and now it unlocks, as you can see, also there. So lock. So you need to put your palm like this in order to open and close. Only this. Don't put your palm there and don't close like this, because it will not. Sometimes it will close, but it's better only press here from outside. You still need to press here to open the door, and G-Class door sound is still here. Alright guys, so let's take a look here at the interior. You can see this beautiful red here in the sun, carbon fiber Burmester speaker, really nice leather Napa black. Also check out here the AMG, this is illuminated. You can see also AMG floor mats, Burmester surround sound system, and definitely the biggest star of the show is this new steering wheel. Check it out, really lovely. This one is with the carbon fiber and Dynamica, and here you can see the seats, diamond stitching, and really gorgeous AMG logo. So let's hop inside. So here we are looking at the new steering wheel. I have to say that before, as I told you from the exterior, once again here I thought, okay, steering wheel, infotainment, but it really transforms the car in a great way. Also check out here, we have the new ambient strap, really nice, this one, and it illuminates here the middle console. You can also see it here from this side, really lovely for sure. So here we can see the new infotainment system. This is a classic one. You can see the temperatures. You can change also what is in the middle. And then you have also Super Sport, which I really love. And yeah, with this one you can also see a bunch of stuff. And as with other AMGs, it really transforms AMG to a new design. So it really transforms AMG to new design. Let you know how to like this. Carbon fiber really enhances the interior together with the new design of the differential locks. You can see this one is the front one, middle one, and the rear one. You can see also low range and manual mode. So here we can check out quickly the performance for the new G63. You can see the vehicle here. This is also touchscreen, finally. Engine, but also you can use the touchpad here. Engine, you can see data, IWC, Schaffhausen watch. So really nice in my opinion, really gorgeous. Also what I love is here manufacturer branding on the grab handle, traditional grab handle which passenger grabs. It's really sturdy, okay, for the off-road driving. And the beautiful red leather, this is diamond stitching, absolutely fantastic. Check it out. Also here, really like a quality soft leather, really top. So the G-Class is the top product in my opinion. Also check out the glove compartment, really cool. So let's go and check out the back, but it should be the same as before. Let's go and check it out. So here is the back, basically the same ISOFIX for the kits, and armrest here in the middle, two cup holders. Check out here, now we have illuminated USB-C ports, 12-volt socket, and here the temperature as well for the rear passengers. Some storage space, illuminated AMG logos, beautiful doors, carbon, some door pockets. So essentially we can say the same. And check out here how the front looks from the back. Let me know how do you like this. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Let me know how do you like the new G63 in the comment section down below. Thank you very much for your support, and I will see you soon in the next video. Have a wonderful day.